Want your home to look spotless without spending all day cleaning? Stick around. These genius cleaning hacks will save you time, money, and effort. Amazing home cleaning hacks. Hack No. 1. All-purpose, miracle cleaner. Mixing vinegar, water, and lemon in spray bottle, cleaning kitchen counters and bathroom surfaces. Skip expensive cleaners. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water, add a few drops of lemon. This natural solution cuts grease, removes odors, and leaves surfaces sparkling. Hack No. 2. Microwave deep clean. Bowl with lemon water inside microwave. Steam cleaning effect, wiping clean easily. Hate scrubbing your microwave? Just heat lemon water for 3 minutes. The steam loosens grime so it wipes away effortlessly. No scrubbing needed. Hack No. 3. Shower and amp. Glass shine. Glass shower doors being wiped clean, water spots disappearing. Shiny finish. Water stains on shower doors? Use dish soap and vinegar. It melts soap scum and makes glass shine like new. Hack No. 4. Odor-free trash can. Baking soda being sprinkled into trash can. Fresh kitchen visuals. Keep your trash can fresh by sprinkling baking soda at the bottom. It absorbs odors before they start. Hack No. 5. Dust-free fans and blinds. Pillowcase cleaning ceiling fan blades. Dust trapped inside. Slide a pillowcase over fan blades to trap dust. No mess, no sneezing. Hack No. 6. Shiny stainless steel. Olive oil polishing stainless steel fridge. Streak-free finish. A few drops of olive oil buff stainless steel appliances to a fingerprint-free shine. Bonus speed clean routine. Clean smarter, not longer. Set a 15-minute timer, focus on one room, and stop when time's up. You'll be amazed what you can accomplish. Share, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up if you learn anything.